Welcome everyone. In today's Photoshop tutorial 4, we're going to talk about how to edit images, how to combine images together, and also going to talk about how to use layers and those effects in the layers. Let's start now. Before start, let's see our final result. This is our final result. So we're going to edit and combine 3 images together and become like this. Okay. Let's open some images. Open. Okay. Let's select 3 of them and open them. Okay. So we're going to combine 3 of the photos together into one new image. Okay, let's open a new, we set up a new image first with 1280 and the height is 800. Okay, the rest will remain the same. Press OK. Alright, we have this new image. Okay, we can change the foreground first. Okay, at this moment the default setting is black color, so probably we can change to the gray color like this. Okay, maybe this, and then we just press OK. Okay, we need to fill up the foreground color onto this new image. Okay, we can go to Edit and press the fill the foreground color, right? Press OK. Now we have to fill the gray color onto this foreground. Okay, we have another way to do this. Okay, alternatively we can just go back. Okay, we go back. Okay, we can press undo fill, or we can press the step backwards. Both the same. Alright, then we come back to the original color. Okay, we can do that is, okay, after we select this, the gray color, we press OK. And we can do is use a shortcut. Okay, we can press Alt plus backspace. Alright, okay, then we get the same result. Alright, let's start. Okay, we go to the pictures we selected. Okay, this photo, do the selection all, and go to Edit, copy, then we come back to the newly set up image, and we go to Edit and paste it. Okay, this is rather too big. Okay, what we can do is like we go to Edit, Free Transform. Okay, then we can just change this size of this photo. Okay, remember that. Okay, to fix the ratio of the height and the width of this photo, original photo, so what we can do is just press the Shift and then just drag this photo, okay, to the size you need. Just move on, press it, hold and drag, hold and drag to the size you need. Okay, probably this is good, right? Okay, this is the size we need. Okay, you can rotate this. Okay, once we see the double arrow here, okay, we can rotate this. Okay, probably can rotate this. Okay, we can rotate this probably to this degree. Okay, if you are happy with this image, we just press OK. Then we are done. Okay, the first one we done. Okay, let's go to the next image. This is a small dog. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we will still use the Marquee tool here. Okay, and we go to the elliptical. Okay, so we same thing. Okay, when we draw the elliptical, okay, we probably want to draw a circle. Okay, we can just press the Shift. Okay, it will go always a standard circle. Okay, okay, we just release it. Okay, probably we want to move this circle up a little bit. Just take note about this. Okay, we don't use the Edit and Free Transform because you're not going to do nothing happen. Okay, the circle is not going to move, rather than the whole image is going to move. Okay, so we don't use that. Okay, so we have to use another one. We use the Select. Okay, we use the Select and we go to the Transform Selection. Alright, from here we can change the circle slightly up. Alright, it's moving up, right? You want to make the circle slightly bigger, you can just press the Shift and drag a little bit, drag it. Okay, if you're happy with this, just move a little bit. Okay, Alright, this is the thing we need. Okay, we just press OK. Now we're done. Okay, so this is the one we need. Alright, just backwards. Okay, so what we can do is like this. Let's go to the edit, press copy, and we go to the new image. Okay, go to the edit again and paste it. Oh, okay, this is rather too big. So what we can do is like this. Okay, we can go to the edit, free transform, right? So we can just hold the shift again. Okay, just make it smaller. Okay, and at the same time, if you want to rotate this, you can just also do the rotation, but I'm not going to do that. So if you're happy with this, you just move through here. Okay, alright, then this image is done. Okay, we're happy with this, we just press OK. Okay, let's go to the next one. So we have a fox here. So what we're going to do is that is we try the same Marquee 2 here. Okay, probably we'll use the rectangular again. Okay, now we just select this little fox. Okay, probably like this. Alright, okay, we're happy with this image. Okay, if you want to select different area, you want to select much more bigger, as we mentioned just now, go to the select, okay, and transform selection. Right, so from here you can just change, you can make it relatively smaller. Alright, okay, I'll probably like this, or you can make it bigger. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, it's good. Once we're done, we just press OK. So move circle. Okay, so we're happy with this, and then we just go to edit, copy, and we go to new image again, go to the edit, just do the paste. Alright, oh, this is very big. Okay, never mind, just go to the edit, free transform. Okay, same thing, we're going to hold the shift, I'm going to drag this thing. Okay, then release the shift, and then we just move this fox up. Okay, and then you think probably have to reduce some more, right? Okay, just press and hold the shift again, and then drag this photo. Alright, we're almost done. Press OK, and we're done. So then we can move this area to probably here. Okay, now we notice like, okay, we comes to a very important concept here. Okay, basically that each image, okay, we're going to have a one layer. Okay, the first one we call the background. The background will be here, right? And the second one, if you're not sure about which one is the second one, you have an eye here, right? Just close it. Okay, the second one is a cat. Like we mentioned in last tutorial, we can just rename it. Double click, just cat, right? So what is layer 2? You don't know, right? So you just tried it. Okay, layer 2 is the dog. Okay, we just put a dog. Okay, apparently layer 3, double click, layer 3 is a fox, right? Okay, so we can see that the fox is on top of this dog, and the dog is on top of the cat. How to make this dog is on top of this fox? We can do this is like we just shift down this layer to below, and you will see the dog is on top of this fox, right? So we're happy with this, and now we select the dog, we can move the dog around. I will notice the cat image is rather too small. Okay, we can select the cat, and then we go to this edit, free transform, press the shift, and then just make it slightly bigger. If you don't want to make it the fixed ratios high and width, you can just release the shift, and then just do a press. You just go whatever way you like. Probably this way you can just do whatever the dimensions you like. Okay, you can do this, do that. Okay, no issue. Once done, you're happy, right? Okay, you can move to here, no issue. Just press OK. Now we have these 3 images. Okay, we just put them together. Okay, the next one, the fox we're gonna put about here. And smaller the dog, we put here. All right, okay, that's good, looks good. Okay, so now we're gonna try another image. Okay, before that, so if you don't like any layers, probably you want to delete it, you can just press the layer. Let's say probably want to delete this fox. We just drag this thing and put to a rubbish bin here, right? You just release it. Okay, the fox has been delayed. Apparently we can just go back. This is just a simple demonstration. You can go back, stack backwards, or you can just press undo delay layers. Both are the same. Okay, the fox come back. Let's try another effects. So did you see this small FX here? Okay, we just press this thing. Okay, it's a droplets come down. Okay, just go to the stroke, right? Okay, have you seen the difference? So there's the dark line on the edge of this image. Okay, so what we can do is we can change the color, or we can change the size as well. So probably we can change the size to 10 if you want. Okay, make it much more bigger. Okay, so and now we can change the color as well. So what color we like? Probably red color. Can we change to red color? Okay, looks much more better, right? And we just press OK. Good. We also can do something else. It's like drop shadow. Okay, so we can just create some shadows under this image. So what the fast way we can do is that we just drag it. We can drag it. Okay, then we see the shadow here, right? Or you can just define angles or whatever. Opacity, we can change the opacity as well. Can we see? Much more lighter, right? Lighter, right? Okay, much more lighter, right? Okay, so probably this is too big. We're just moving it a bit, right? Okay, opacity. Okay, that's good, right? You can just try those parameters, the distance, everything. Okay, we try the distance here. You see the difference, right? Very far away, right? Okay, make it small. Okay, close. You can just play around all those things, no issue. Okay, and then now I'm happy with this, so I'm gonna just press OK. Now one of the image we done the efforts. Next one we're gonna do a very fast shortcut. Okay, to make all the rest of these 2 photos have the same image and have the same stroke and have the same drop shadows. What we're going to do now is we just hold the outer, then press this efforts and just bring them down. Okay, do you see the difference? Hold the outer key, bring down to the cat. Do you see the difference? 3 of these images are all has copied the same stroke, same drop shadow. Okay, so this very fast way. Of course, you can just do them one by one. Okay, let's select the cat. We just press here, press stroke, and see 10, change to 10 as well. And then probably you do one red color for the edge, so you can change another color. Maybe, okay, this looks good. Then you press OK. Then let's work on the drop shadow. The drop shadow, you can do the same thing. Okay, maybe you can change the distance at your own, or you like. Do you like this? Do you like this? Is that alright? Any number you like. Okay, and then you can change the opacity as well. Okay, you can just change the opacity, maybe 40. Okay, it looks good. Alright, then we just press OK. Right, so in this way we just generate a different efforts, stroke, the edge colors, the drop shadows for all the three images. Okay, then we are done. This is today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.